Smoking on gas, I ain't passing no wood.
Look at him about to blow his. Ooh, that big clean. Drip check. Got the bread ones on. With the Supreme shirt. Supreme bag, you already know. Alright, as you guys could tell, the NISMO is outside tonight. This is gonna be my first time taking it out to a meet at night. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I get to the meet. Oh shit, Hell Kitty. Fucking kitty cat, nigga. Them niggas is fucking fast, nigga. Holy shit. Out here.
That look clean as fuck too. It's dirty. I didn't know.
Yeah.
Bro, you like the first person that I can actually see they. Yeah, but I ripped that.
This nigga violated me. I was like, ooh, a little Charger want to pull up. Then I seen the cat. I was like, oh, hell nah. Long time no see, my friend.
What's up, bro?
Chilling, chilling. What the fuck? So this is what I came to see.
Yes, sir.
Mary Poppin' in her skirt. That's your type, baby, oh, ain't it?
Yeah. Oh, little baby.
Big skin girl.
Okay, that's finally coming out. Hey, that's a girl driving that STI.
Out here. The boys is out here. That bit clean, I ain't gonna lie. Damn, this joint's getting fucked.
I don't go to confidence and talk like this.
God damn, they don't got no fucking girls here. What the fuck? BQ boys. It's the fucking Hell Kitty. I don't know if y'all can see it. Fastest Subi in Central Florida, nigga. That's where it died. What the fuck? This bitch clean. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Yeah, I can't help you, nigga. You on your own. What you doing, man?
Smoking on gas, I ain't passing no wood, cause that's how that big in the rolling.
that's what I thought too. That's why I came. I was like, yo, if this is valid or not.
Across the street.
Well, guys, looks like the spot got burnt. It's time to head the fuck out of here. This is why we gotta leave, nigga. You see what these niggas is doing? They're having straight bullshit. Look at this nigga about to blow his fuck.
Hey, play it louder. Play it louder. Play it louder.
Oh, this. That nigga finna be sick when they bag his little ass. Get in my what? Get in my car. I missed. Hit it. You got money? You can pay for it. Ooh, they're big clean. See ya. Female driven. Yeah, fuck Davenport, bro. This shit's filled with cops, man. I'm out of here. Alright, guys. Finally made it home. I'm gonna do a little first gear pull. Fuck it. Gotta end the night off right. Feel me? Do a little 20 when I get around this corner. Oh, you guys thought I was missing my turn? Silly rabbit. Brembos are for man. Alright guys, your boy just made it home from that car meet, and I don't know how much of the footage I'm going to be able to use, but I'm going to try to put together a nice little video for you guys to watch. Anyways, your boy made it home safe. The NISMO made it home. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new, subscribe to the channel. Road to 1,000 subscribers. It's your boy Nick Stacks. I'm out. Peace.
Remember I was dead broke, I had to find a way. Watch your face playing catch up, it was barely time to wait. It's hard to accept the love when you surrounded by the hate. Disrespecting my mother, I ain't had nowhere to stay. So I went and got my hustle on. Before I go make sure my money long. Somehow I made it through the thunderstorm.